The Internet of Things, IoT, is a rapidly expanding field that is changing how we live and work. At its core, the Internet of Things is the interconnection of physical devices, vehicles, buildings, and other items that are embedded with electronics, software, sensors, and connectivity, allowing these objects to connect and exchange data. This technology has the potential to transform many industries, ranging from healthcare to transportation, and has far-reaching implications for our personal and professional lives. Internet of Things devices. The Internet of Things is supported by Internet of Things devices. They are internet-connected objects or products that can share data and communicate with other devices. Smart home systems, wearable fitness trackers, industrial equipment, and even automobiles are examples of Internet of Things devices. With the growing popularity of Internet of Things devices, we are seeing an increasing number of devices connect to the Internet, ranging from refrigerators to washing machines to doorknobs. This enables a vast array of data to be collected, shared, and analyzed in order to make our lives easier, more efficient, and secure. Internet of Things platform. An Internet of Things platform serves as the foundation for the Internet of Things. It is the infrastructure that allows devices to communicate, manage data, and perform analytics. Internet of Things platforms are typically made up of a mix of software and hardware, such as cloud-based services, application programming interfaces, APIs, and gateways that allow devices to connect to the Internet. Amazon Web Services Internet of Things, Microsoft Azure IoT, and Google Cloud IoT are examples of Internet of Things platforms. These platforms provide organizations with the tools they need to develop and deploy Internet of Things applications quickly and easily. Internet of Things security. As more devices connect to the Internet, security becomes an increasingly important concern. Internet of Things devices are a prime target for cyber criminals due to the vast amount of data they collect, share, and analyze. Internet of Things security is the practice of preventing unauthorized access, use, disclosure, disruption, modification, or destruction of Internet-connected devices, networks, and data. This includes securing devices and networks, protecting data in transit and at rest, and ensuring that data is only accessible to authorized users. The Mirai botnet attacks of 2016, for example, used Internet of Things devices with weak security, such as security cameras and routers, to launch a massive DDoS attack on DNS provider Dyn. This attack rendered major websites like Twitter, Spotify, and Netflix inaccessible for several hours. This incident demonstrated the importance of implementing proper security measures for Internet of Things devices. IoT applications. The Internet of Things has the potential to transform industries ranging from healthcare to transportation. Among the most common Internet of Things applications are smart homes. Smart home systems allow homeowners to control and monitor devices such as lights, thermostats, and security systems remotely using a smartphone or tablet. Industrial IoT, Internet of Things technology is being used to improve efficiency and productivity in manufacturing, agriculture, and other industrial sectors. Wearable technology, wearable devices, such as fitness trackers and smartwatches, have become increasingly popular in recent years. They allow users to track health and fitness data and receive notifications from their smartphone. Connected cars, car manufacturers are increasingly incorporating Internet of Things technology into their vehicles, allowing for features such as remote start, location tracking, and predictive maintenance. Conclusion. The Internet of Things has the potential to change the way we live and work, with far-reaching consequences for our personal and professional lives. IoT devices, platforms, security, applications, analytics, sensors, and gateways are all critical components of the IoT ecosystem. With the proliferation of connected devices and the data they generate, the opportunities for innovation and improvement are limitless. The Internet of Things is changing the way we interact with the world around us, from smart homes to connected cars, industrial IoT to wearable technology. As technology advances, we can anticipate even more impressive IoT-enabled solutions in the future.